It's a very large lander. It'll soft land in precise way 3.6 metric tons onto the lunar surface. The stretch tank variant of it will soft land 6.5 metric tons onto the lunar surface. Let me give you a little tour. The deck is designed to be a very simple interface so that a great variety of payloads can be placed onto the top deck and secured. And the davit system, which is inspired by naval systems, you can see it over here, is what's used to lower things off of the deck onto the surface of the moon. And the davits can be customized for the particular payloads. On the left-hand side, you can see our star tracker, so that this vehicle can autonomously navigate in space. There it is. On the right-hand side, you'll see an optical communication system that gives us gigabit bandwidth back to Earth. It's a laser that transmits data back to Earth. We also have X-band for 10 megabit radio. This is an incredible vehicle, and it's going to the moon. People are very excited about this capability to soft land their cargo, their rovers, their science experiments onto the surface of the moon in a precise way. There is no capability to do that today.
The Artemis program is critical to the future of humanity. We are landing the first woman and next man on the moon.
The mock-up is a full-scale replica of the system that we are going to be sending to the lunar surface in 2024.
This is going to allow NASA's astronauts in Houston to get first-hand experience of our design so that they can start to give us feedback. The mock-up represents our first effort as a national team to integrate among Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Draper, and Blue Origin.
We believe the national team combines the best of breed from all of the talent within the U.S.
The architecture is really comprised of three major elements: the ascent element, the descent element, and the transfer element. We, Lockheed, are building the ascent element, where the crew is housed.
The transfer element is to transfer the lunar lander down to the surface of the moon.
The descent element, built by Blue Origin, is really a game-changing moon landing vehicle. That's leveraging 3 years of experience that Blue has been working to allow a sustained human presence for decades to come by using lunar resources. It's supporting the ability to have a sustaining presence on the moon and the ability to use the moon's resources to continue to expand humanity's footprint on the moon.
As a partner in the national team, Draper will provide guidance, navigation, and control, avionics, and software systems. Our contributions draw on the systems we developed for NASA and the Apollo program when America first landed on the moon 51 years ago.
We went to the moon with Apollo, and we want to be part of the human landing system that goes back to the moon to stay.
This is humanity's ultimate challenge. And in order to pull this off, it takes a team.
We are designing a vehicle that will be able to ensure humanity has a permanent presence on the moon.